You may have made corn husk wreaths before, but have you looped them? It creates this darling bubble effect, and you pair that with a bundle of ribbon and your front door just got that much happier. Kassie Hymas with Homegirl Studios joins us with this fast and fresh project, and we were talking about how this wreath, I mean, the script says it can go to Thanksgiving, but I'm like, it could even go beyond that.
Oh, totally, all season long, for sure. That's the beauty of it, is that it really can carry from Halloween to Thanksgiving, and I mean, even into Christmas if you want. It's just harvest.
Yeah. And let's talk about price, because I know a lot of people are like, how much is this gonna cost me to make?
That's really the best part of this wreath, is that it's all under $30.
Okay.
I mean, the wreath is under $30. You can go as crazy as you want with the ribbons.
Sure.
But the wreath is all under $30.
Okay, awesome. Let's get started, because I know a lot of people have made these before. We've done some on Studio 5, but not like this. So what do we need?
Right. Okay, so we're gonna start with a straw base. You can get this at your local craft store. I like an 18-inch wreath form, but you can go a little smaller. I prefer it bigger. So start with a straw base, and then you're just gonna get some corn husks. You can get these at the grocery store, anywhere else that there's corn.
Stealing from your neighbor's yard.
A field if you want, but preferably the grocery store. And then you're just gonna need a few of these floral pins. You can get them also at the craft store. Wherever.
Okay, but I have to ask you one more thing about the corn husk.
Yeah.
You buy them just like this at the grocery store?
Yeah, they come in a big bunch.
I've never done it.
They're ready to go.
Okay.
And then for the wreath, we're gonna dip them in water, because they come really dry. So you dip them in warm water, kind of rehydrates them a little bit.
And you want it warm, you said?
Yes,
like lukewarm. Okay.
Just lukewarm. It's gonna rehydrate them enough so that we don't break them when we bend them. So you kind of just dry them off, rip them in half, and then you're just gonna loop them like this.
Okay, now are they always about the same size, or you're just saying you want about this size?
Yes, I like them a little smaller, so it can go all the way around.
Okay.
You do them staggered. These are just a little bit too big if you're gonna loop them alone.
And you hardly left that in there, and it's plenty malleable.
Yeah, totally, yeah. You don't wanna leave it in there too long or it'll get soggy. So, just enough to kind of rehydrate it, make sure it's not gonna crack, and then you can just loop it, and then you just, that's it.
And you just go all the way around, and it'll just tuck right in when you're finished at the end.
Yep.
Okay, and you and I were talking about the different ribbons, because that is kind of, I think, how you can transition it into different holidays.
Totally, yeah. You can use whatever you want. You can use more of a harvest theme, Halloween, whatever you want. I chose more of a harvest theme. So.
And these pins, where did you say you grabbed these? Just at a craft store?
Yeah, just at the craft store. They're called greening pins.
Okay, what am I looking in, floral?
Yeah, floral.
Okay, floral. And are there certain kinds that you like better than others?
No, there's just one kind. They're just large enough that they'll be able to go through the wreath.
And handle it.
You could probably use staples if you wanted to, but I prefer the pins.
I like that it's longer.
Yeah.
Let's talk about how you dressed it up with the ribbon.
Okay, so there are lots of places you can get a ribbon bundle. There's lots of local places in Utah that sell beautiful ones. I was trying to make it as cost effective as possible, so I just grabbed what I had around. But I love to start with a wired ribbon base. I love the look of a ribbon, of a bow, rather than just a knot, but you can knot it if you want. So I just made a little bow, wrapped some craft wire, and then you can just take a bundle. I think 6 to 7 ribbons is great, and then you're just gonna wire it straight on there.
And did you use one of those same pins to hook it onto your wreath?
I actually just used a little clip I found around the house.
Okay.
It's a little hair clip, actually. But yeah, you can wire it on if you want, clip it, whatever. It's really up to you.
So fun, and I know she did this kind of in a hot second, so we're impressed with you. Where can people find more about what you're doing?
You can find the tutorial on our website at homegirlstudios.com or on Instagram at homegirlstudios.
Okay, thanks so much. We appreciate it.